Hello learners, welcome to Kalam Learning Land YouTube channel. Today I'll help you to understand how you can do a research about your industry or the job that you're looking for. For example, assume that you want to work in edutech companies. Maybe we can list out, Byju's, Vedantu, Unacademy, Upgrad, and some top companies which we have different companies where we might not having we might be not knowing that the company name. So I'll just show you how you can use this LinkedIn tool and research about the company and get to know about the company in a very well manner, so that you can directly go to their website and get in touch with the HR of the company and build a relationship, and you can work in the company. So LinkedIn can help you in that way. So it's the platform is same for everybody, but the way you use differs from person to person, and that's where how best you have you optimized the platform and utilize it in a better way. Now, so what to do here is just come here, click on the search option. Okay, here once you click on the search option, automatically you will you will get this 4 options where people. I mean, you can I'm just clearing history. So now you have, I'll type here in the search option. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow. So now I want to get into touch with somebody who's into marketing. Okay, so I'll type marketing. So once you write here marketing, what happens here is you will have this option called people, jobs, content, and more. So click on this people. Okay, you will get people who are in marketing. So you get everybody who's in marketing. Now what you have to do is basically we are searching for people who are in marketing. Click on this all filters. Okay, now I want to get connected with people who are in Bangalore. Okay, I'll select location as Bangalore. So yeah, this is Bangalore, and I want to get in touch with people who are into marketing and advertisement, and I'll apply. So now what happens is there are around 57,000 people who are in marketing. There might be more people, but in LinkedIn there are around 57,000 people for this particular location and for this particular keyword job keyword. We have these many number of people. Now for example, you can Aditya Venkatramanan. Okay, there's one profile called Aditya Venkateshan. So now you scroll down. Okay, if you just scroll down, and you can just see here head of marketing. So Gojek Tech. Okay, maybe we would have not known about that company. Look at this company. Okay, head of technology in South and account manager. You would have not even known about that. Thomson Reuters. Okay, maybe this company is bit famous people might know about it, but you got to know about you got to know there is a company called Gojek Tech. So open that. See, there is one boy, because of him we got to know that there is one company like this. Now what you can do is you can just come go through the company and how big it is, what exactly they do, and how many employees. Oh, so this is a very big company. They have 563 employees in this company. Now they have got more than 5,49,000 followers on LinkedIn page. Now go and follow their page and go to their visit their website, and if there is any vacancy you can get to know about that vacancy. So normally what we do is we just go, we have one method where we just go to jobs and we apply, but this is also a way where you can build a network among people and do a proper market research. We'll go to another domain or industry where you want to get into website design and development, or you want to get into UI designing. So what you can do is you can just again go to all filters, and you're just checking for Bangalore, and you don't want to get into marketing and advertisement. You want to get into education management. Click on education management and apply. So if you click on this education management, you have 8,000 people who are working in education management. So you can get in touch with those people who are working in education management company. So there's head of marketing, you can marketing executive for some companies. Now you just open that company, open that profile, and you scroll down down and you can why this is very important is you will come to know that the companies which you have not even thought about. So for example, IDSC Global, maybe you would have not heard about the company name, but you got to know because of this Mithun, right? So in this way you can start researching about companies. This way you can start exploring. Like for example, under one profile, if a one fellow is working in three, he has got 10 years of experience, maybe would have worked in 5 different companies, in which maybe you know 2 companies, remaining 3 companies maybe they are good or big companies, but you would have not heard about those company names. And you never know, when you have not heard about those company names, just open that and just start applying for those, go to their job portals and just see if there is any vacancy. And even though there is no requirement, just start building a network. Go to their Instagram, Facebook, and if they have connections over there, start getting in touch with those companies, so that whenever there is a job openings, you might get a call for you might get a notification, you might start applying for the company. So this is how you can use LinkedIn for better market research. Thank you.